How to make money with a reseller hosting business. Web hosting business has a lot of potential but requires a significant amount of upfront investment. Reseller hosting offers you the most affordable way to get into the web hosting business. Let's look at the ways in which you can make money with a reseller hosting business. Focus on a niche. There's a lot of competition in the web hosting business and it's difficult to stand out. Start by focusing on a niche market to generate interest and get consistent signups. Offer custom plans. Regular hosting providers don't offer customized plans to preserve their economy of scale. As a reseller, it's easy for you to customize plans as per a client's requirements. Build your brand. A brand name fosters a sense of trust and creates a consistent recognition with instant brand recall. Many hosting resellers offer white labeling, which allows you to build and promote your brand name. Offer competitive pricing. Competitive pricing is a great way to grab attention and get more signups. You can start small and gradually increase your pricing, but do not undercut the market. Market your business. In this age of short attention spans, word of mouth is not enough. Use multiple marketing channels and run sustained campaigns to get your business noticed. Reseller Club's Reseller Hosting offers a free reseller account, free WHM and cPanel, and free hosting migration. Get the best of reseller hosting with seamless upgrades, 400+ one-click app installations, and 24/7 express support.